there! I'm Margaret from PrintNinja. So your pre-press person sent you a custom template to set up your artwork. Or maybe you already downloaded one from our website. But now what? First, let's open our file. I'll start by opening the template with Adobe Illustrator. The same steps can be used in other softwares too, but your menus will probably look a little different. If you're having trouble opening the PDF, not to worry. You can simply start by creating a file of the same dimensions instead. Once you've created your new file in at least 300 dpi and CMYK, place the template file on your canvas and you'll be ready to go. Now before I jump in, I want to take a look at the Layers panel. We'll need one layer for our guidelines, that's the template, and a second layer under that for our artwork. Just to make sure I don't put anything on the wrong layer, I'm going to lock the guideline layer. Now comes the fun part, adding the artwork. All of our templates have a handy key that show you what each of the lines mean. There are different requirements for different types of projects, but in general, your background color or pattern should go all the way to the bleed line. And any important text or images that absolutely cannot get cut off should fall inside the safe zone. Once I've finished adding my artwork, the last thing I'll need to do is export the file. For box templates, I'll need to export it twice. First, a version with both the artwork and template layers, and then again with only the artwork visible. That means I'm going to turn off the template layer for now. For more details on export settings, check out the link in the description below. So there you have it. Now my artwork is all ready to submit. If you have any questions along the way, let us know and we'll be happy to help. Until next time!